How to delete call history on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete your call history on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete your call history on iPhone, which is a recent call history, you can just try opening the phone application and make sure that you are on the recent tab, and here you can see a list of call history that you have received and actually sent. So if you want to delete this history, it's actually quite a little bit complicated process because you cannot delete them all at once unlike Android devices. But what you can do is you can tap the edit option here and then tap the select option, and now just make sure to tap the clear option like this and then select the option called clear all recents in order to clear all of the recent call history on your iPhone. This way you will be able to delete call history on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.